How to install and add custom fonts in Google Docs. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Docs on your device. Then at the top, you'll find extensions. Click on extensions. Then click on add-ons. Then click on get add-ons, which will lead you to this page. At the top, search extensive fonts and click on it. After that, simply click on extensive fonts and then install it by clicking on install on the right side. After it's installed, simply sign in to your account and then you're good to go. After that, click on extensions again at the top and then click on extensive fonts. Click on start and on the right side you'll find fonts. To choose these fonts, click on font section in the docs. And then in here you can search the fonts and use it. This is how to install and add custom fonts in Google Docs. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.